Dive into the deep blue. Picture the salty sea breeze, the rhythmic crashing of waves and the bounty of the ocean. Among that bounty, shellfish, a culinary delight. But there's more to shellfish than meets the palate. Here we uncover the hidden dangers lurking beneath the shell. Bacteria, viruses, toxins, invisible threats that can turn pleasure into pain. But fear not, with knowledge comes power. By knowing how shellfish can become contaminated, we can take steps to safeguard our health. The first line of defense? Purchasing from reputable sources. These sources ensure their shellfish are harvested and handled properly, reducing the risk of contamination. Next, we turn to the kitchen. Proper cooking is essential. It's not just about flavor, it's about safety. The right temperature can kill harmful bacteria and toxins, making your shellfish safe to eat. So next time you're savoring a succulent lobster or a juicy oyster, remember, safety first. Enjoy the bounty of the sea without the worry. Knowledge is the best seasoning after all.